What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily. So I had a tenant just move out of this apartment yesterday, and we're already in here getting it in. We got to paint these walls. The walls were actually in good shape, so not a lot of prep work to do on these walls. These are going to be painted what we call gentrification gray out here, and baseboard is white. So just giving it a fresh coat. The ceiling's in good condition, but we're already in here getting it in. You can see we're here in the kitchen. Kitchen has already been taken out. All the cabinets are out. The appliances are here behind me, and the cabinets are arriving today. So you got to time those things so that all the work gets done. You do not want your team to be waiting. And then here we are with the bathroom. The toilet is already out. It's actually behind me right there. The tub is already out. We're gonna get the hardy board. We're gonna do the tile in here, and I've already got the design from the other 2 apartments that are at work. I'm actually working on 3 apartments simultaneously, and as you get bigger and bigger in this game, you're gonna have to have an A team, a B team, and sometimes even a C team to make sure that work is getting done simultaneously and that you get these places up and rented as quickly as possible. So I'm so excited to see actually how these 2 teams work together, how they work differently, their speed, the quality of work, and then that's actually how you determine who's going to be your A team and who's going to be your B team. I worked with all of them in the past, never on the same property with the same design, so they actually have the same blueprint and template, so it's like a fair kind of competition, but they're not really in competition. They work with me. They don't work for me. I don't hire them. I don't employ them full time. They work with me as contractors. I'm excited, and I love putting money back into this economy through employing all these amazing, talented, skilled tradesmen, architects, designers, masons, mathematicians. That's what they are. Even though you might see them working with their hands and you might undervalue blue collar work, these people know how to build houses from scratch, and so it's a blessing to work with them, because I don't know how to do that. Even though I have all this quote unquote education, right? Don't even know how to build a house. They do. All right, so I'm excited to see this unfold, trying to get this rented out as quickly as possible. This is why I had to get 2 teams going on. I wanted to try to fill this property by January 1st, but missed that timeline, and that's when I said I had to get a second team on board to make sure that these 3 units are occupied. The other 2 units are still covering the mortgage while I'm doing this construction work. Then I'm gonna get these rented, and then we're gonna be fully cash flowing. At some point, the other 2 units, I do want to fix those up too before I do my cash out refi and try to pull all my money out of this deal in 6 months. You got to hold the property for 6 months before you can do a cash out refi. So just keeping you updated on this process. If you want to learn how to do this in the meantime, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. That's multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll show you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals just like this one. All right. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. Much love, y'all. Peace.